Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enrolled in College of Engineering, BS Maths, BS Physics, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education major maths. And to those students that your courses were not mentioned in my vlog, as long as you enroll this subject, which is Integral Calculus for this semester, I would like you to invite to study with me today. My topic is all about volume by cylindrical shell method. So volume is equals to 2 pi integral from a to b x times square brackets y1 minus y2 dx. Okay? So on the board, I have this problem. Find the volume of the solid bounded by y equals 5x plus 1, then y equals 21 revolve about the y-axis. So actually this is line. Okay, so first step is assume y1 will be equal to y2. y1, y2. So plug in the y1, plug in y1, 5x plus 1 is equals to 21. Okay? Then transpose 21 to the left and then equate to 0. 5x plus 1, then minus 21 is equals to 0. So I have now 5x, this will be minus 20 is equals to 0. Okay? So common will be 5x minus 4, then this will be equal to 0. So 5 times x, that will be 5x. 5 times 4, 20. Then divide both sides by 5. Then 5 will be crossed out. X minus 4 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 4. Okay? Then I will tabulate y equals 5x plus 1. So this will be y equals 5x plus 1. So find the x and y values. So I will start from 0. So when x is equals to 0, so y equals 5 times 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1, so this will be 1. When x is 2, so when x is 2, so y equals 5 times, sorry, start from 1. So this will be 1. 5 times 1, then plus 1. So 5, 1, that will be plus 1, that will be 6. So this will be 6. When x is 2, when x is equal to 2, so y equals 5 times 2, then plus 1. So this will be 10 plus 1, so y equals 11. Next, when x is 3, when x is 3, y is equals to 5 times 3 plus 1. So this will be 15 plus 1. Y is 16. Then last will be y when x is 4. So y equals 5 times 4 plus 1. So this will be 20 plus 1. So y is 21. Okay? Then what will be the next? I will plot these points in the Cartesian coordinates. So the highest is y value will be 21. So this will be the x. This will be 21. 5, 10, 15. Okay, 20. Then this will be y. Then this will be x. 4. So this will be 1, 2, 3. So close. 1, 2, 3, 4. Zero, 1. So actually this is 5, 10, 15, 20. So this will be 21. 0, 1. So 0, 1 in here. Estimate only. 0, 1 and then 1, 6. 1, 6, 1, 6, 1 and then 6. Estimate also. Next is 2, 11. 2, 11. estimate 211, then 316. 316. Estimate also. This is line 3. $316. What's next? 421. Yeah, 421. Actually, that's a line. So connect the points. That will be a line. So allow me to erase this portion. Then 21. This will be 21. So y equals 21. And then, so this is the shaded parts. Now take note, this will revolve along the y-axis. So, stop. Okay. So this is 21. Then this line is 5x plus 1. So volume is equals to 2 pi integral from 0 to 4 x square brackets. So y1 will be the line, which is 21. Then minus circle brackets. Then 5x plus 1. Then enclosed with square brackets. So this will be 2 pi integral from 0 to 4 x. Then this will be circle brackets 21 minus 5x minus 1 dx. Okay, so simplify inside the circle brackets 2 pi integral from 0 to 4. Then this will be x 21 minus 1, that will be 20 minus 5x. Then this will be dx. So 2 pi integral from 0 to 4 multiply inside the circle bracket, so this will be 20x, then minus 5x squared dx. So integrate, so this will be 2 pi square brackets, this will be 20x squared over 2, then minus 5x cubed over 3, then limits from 0 to 4. Okay, so simplify inside the square brackets 2 pi, then this will be square brackets, this will be 10x squared minus 5x cubed over 3, then limits from 0 to 4. Okay, so again, always bear in your mind that f of b minus f of a, because this is definite, right? So this will be upper limit, then this will be lower limit. Okay, so just follow the arrow. So 2 pi, then I will start plugging the value of upper limit. So open brace, open square brackets, this will be 10 times 4 squared, then minus 5 times 4 cubed over 3, then enclose with square brackets, then minus 10 0 squared minus 5 times 0 cubed over 3, enclose with square brackets, and then totally close with brace. So this will be 2 pi, then open brace, open square brackets, this will be 10 times 16 minus 5 times 64, 64 over 3, then minus, this will be 0, totally close with brace. So this will be 2 pi. So I will use square brackets 160 minus 64 times 5, 20 carry 2, 30, 32, so 320. So this will be 320 over 3. Then minus 0, enclosed with square brackets. So this will be 2 pi. Circle brackets, because this is already 0. So LCD will be 3. So 160 times 3. So this will be 0, 18, carry 1, 3, 4. 480. 480, then minus 3 divided by 3, that is 1. Then times 320, that will be 320. So 480 minus 320. 0, 6, 1. 160? Yeah, 160. So this will be 2 pi. 160 over 3. Then multiply 160 times 2. 0, 12, carry 1, 2, 320. So this will be 320 over 3 pi cubic units. So therefore, the volume of that solid, actually this volume, this will be in terms of cubic units. So this will be 320 over 3 pi cubic units. Okay? So this is now 320 over 3 pi. So I think that's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding this matter, just leave your comment or comments in the comment section. Then, if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Maths TV. Thanks for watching.